Let's look closely at Bessie Coleman. In this video, you will look at some pictures and answer some questions. When it's time to answer a question, you can pause the video and talk to somebody near you about your observations, or you can write them down or draw pictures, or you can just think in your head. Bessie Coleman is an important person in history because in 1921, she became the first female African American pilot. A pilot is someone who flies an airplane. Bessie had to go to France to get her pilot's license because at the time, African Americans and women were not allowed to fly in the United States. That's not fair. Let's look at the top of Bessie Coleman's airplane. Bessie Coleman flew a biplane called the Jenny. It is called a biplane because there is a wing above and a wing below the fuselage. Can you point to the fuselage? The fuselage is right here. Can you point to the two wings? The two wings are right here. How many people can ride on this airplane? Look for the cockpit of the plane. That is where the pilot sits. I see two spaces for people to sit. That means Bessie could have taken someone on a ride with her. I bet that would have been a lot of fun. Let's look at the side of Bessie Coleman's airplane. When we look closely, we have to be sure to look at all parts of an image. Follow the orange star to look closely at the picture. Look at the top of the picture. Look at the bottom of the picture. What do you see? What questions do you have? Look at the left side of the picture. Look at the right side of the picture. What do you notice? What do you wonder about? Now, look at the whole picture. I notice that there is no roof or top to the plane. That must mean that when someone is flying the plane, they are outside with the wind and the weather all around them. What colors do you see? I see a bunch of colors on this plane. On the tail, I see the colors red, white, and blue. On the fuselage, I see black, blue, orange, and green. What do you think it would feel like to ride in this plane? I bet it gets pretty cold when you are flying. Let's look closely at Bessie Coleman's clothes. Here is a picture of Bessie standing beside her plane. What do you notice about her clothes? What do you wonder? Bessie looks like she is about to climb into the cockpit of her plane. Her jacket looks warm. Why would Bessie need a warm jacket for her flight? This is a picture of a helmet that is similar to what Bessie wore. There is a strap that goes under Bessie's chin and connects to a buckle. Why would Bessie need a chin strap for her helmet? I know bike helmets have a chin strap so the helmet stays on. I think that is why Bessie's helmet has a chin strap. It must get pretty windy in the cockpit when she's flying, so she wouldn't want her helmet to blow off. Thanks for looking closely at Bessie Coleman. Looking for more? Check out additional Looking Closely videos and Flights of Fancy Storytime on YouTube.